How to share notes on Instagram Reels or posts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can share notes on your Instagram posts and Reels. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, you will need to update your Instagram to the latest version. For that, head over to your app store, simply search for Insta, and after you search for Insta, you should get the app here. And if you see an update button like this, tap on update to update to the latest version. After you update it, you can simply open up your Instagram. Now find the post where you want to just add a note, and after you find it, tap on the share icon. After you tap on the share icon, you'll need to swipe left here, and there you should see an option called add note. Tap on it, and now you can just add a note and then tap on share. Now it's that simple. Now the process is really same for the reels too, and that is basically it. Thanks for watching guys. That is how you add a note, or that is how you share a note in Instagram Reels and posts. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.